Pogi number 1.
Mr. P.
Come on, introduce yourself.
My name is Justin Angel Gonzalez Palacio.
From
Philippines.
contestant number 2. Come on, man. Introduce yourself.
I'm shy.
From Philippines.
From Philippines. Bulilit number 1.
Si Micah.
Oh! Contestant number 3. Introduce yourself.
Number 4.
Contestant
Mr.
number.
Pogi number 1. Lord Philippines, beside the man.
No fear.
Miss Philippines.
Wait! Watch out!
Come on.
Ay, siya
Yan
na.
na. Bulilit boy ng UK. Introduce yourself. Come on. Don't be shy.
Kim.
Kim. Kim
Tingin niyo
pa.
siya, tingin niyo siya.
Oh, amazing. That's awesome.
Eh, hindi mo anak yan, may anak mo. Gawin mo.
Ayan ang hirap sa inyo, tol. Anak-anak.
Miss Philippine number 2. Introduce yourself.
Sa'yo nga anak.
Oh, introduce mo yung sarili mo. Ang kikijay nyo naman eh.
Jenny.
Oy!
Enough mo.
Ay, gusto na siya.
I like you too.
I love you. Shoot ako ngayon.
Oh, Kripo, come on. Kikripo siya. Come on, Kripo, man.
Sandal boy.
Yeah. Oh, dayang. Come on, Kripo, man. Come on, try. Come on. Hey, look. It's gonna do Kripo. Yeah. Borge, where are you? Come on. Ano si Borge?
Tawagin si Borge.
Oh, Borge. Saba.
Philip.
Come on.
Hindi nga.
Come on, Philip, Kripo. Come on.
Habang cripple kami.
Bulilit number 1.
Miss Bulilit number 1. Introduce yourself. Come on, don't be shy. Introduce yourself. What's your name?
Kuya and you versus. Two of you.
Jem?
Ha?
Jem ano? Ano yung name mo?
Mag-start tayo. K-I-M.
How about you, girl?
Capital K, I-M.
Micah. You, girl? Introduce yourself. Okay. Ay, kanila. Look, quick walk. Come on. Do a quick walk. Oh! That's Borgie. Yeah. Oh, wala na may music. Oh, start. Dala, ulit.